Today we are diving into something absolutely insane, the Koenigsegg Sadair spears based on the iconic Jesco, with sharper, meaner and more track focused than anything Koenigsegg has ever built. It's a tribute to the Jesco's final race horse, Sadair spear that he raced in 1976. Let's start with a quote that perfectly defines this car. With great power comes great responsibility, and Koenigsegg takes that very seriously, especially when it comes to heat. The Sadair Spear has an overall 30% increase in cooling capacity over the Jesco. It features a bigger front outlet, which not only boosts downforce but significantly improves airflow and radiator performance. And the rear, new intake scoops have been added, along with an additional oil radiator, all to keep that V8 engine cool easily, lap after lap. Larger dive planes now help direct flow, rear intercooler performance and enhanced downforce. More intakes mean better cooling, that is more power. You are looking at 1300 horsepower on 98 octane fuel and an insane 1625 horsepower on E85 biofuel. We will make a short video on it and would explain. So guys, just wait for it, you will love to know about it. Koenigsegg didn't stop there. They have refined the aerodynamics with larger under-roof strays for smoother airflow over the body. The rocker louvers, those vents right behind the front wheels, have been improved for better air evacuations. Even the wheels get their own lowers now, and of course there is a massive rear wing. But it's not just any wing, it's a dual plane element rear wing delivering 20% more downforce with 5% less drag. The suspension setup had to be completely retuned. Koenigsegg shift from a traditional corner spring system to a triplex damper setup, giving the car precise control over all that added downforce. But one of the most unique features, the carbon air core wheels. They are incredibly light and strong, but they also increase downforce thanks to their advanced airflow designs. And then there's the rubber. 275mm front tires, 335mm rear tires running on the Michelin's Pilot Sport Cup 2 and Cup 2R tires, built for maximum grip and minimal compromise. At its heart is the same brutal V8 from the Jesco paired with Koenigsegg lightning fast 9-speed light speed transmission LSD. Despite all the hardcore upgrades, the Sadair Spear does not forget its Koenigsegg's DNA. It still features electric comfort seats, a premium stereo system, full climate control, and the auto skin system allowing you to open every panel at the press of a button. All this while still saving weight. So what is Sadair Spear? It's not just the next step beyond the Jesco, it's a final evolution of the combustion-powered track monster, a machine that pushes cooling, aerodynamics, and performance to levels we have never seen before. It's the most track-focused car Koenigsegg has ever built, a tribute to the final race of the legendary horse, and possibly the last of its kind. If you thought the Jesco was wild, the Sadair Spear shows us what happens when no limits are the only rules.